Hello and welcome to this week's Unboxed, where I get my hands on anything and everything that comes in a box. I am Ocean Grace Daniel and we have Hasida today with us for today's episode. Today we have food and hence Hasida is here.
Only reason I'm here.
Okay, so we have popcorns, and that too not just any popcorn, gourmet popcorn from this company called Popcorn and Company. Like all the boxes that I unboxed, this also comes in a very fancy box. So more than unboxing, I think this is gonna be like a taste test. So shall we begin? Before going to the tasting, these come in these very attractive purple and green containers. These are tin boxes. So reminds me a lot of our childhood days where when biscuits and snacks used to be stored in these tin containers. So we will start with our first flavor, that is caramel crisp. Okay. This is how it looks. One of the only reasons why I go to the movie theatre is to have caramel popcorn.
Caramel and cheese popcorn
Not
and
to
caramel.
really watch the movie, just caramel popcorn. Okay, so one speciality of this gourmet popcorn is that these are handmade in small batches, and these are corn kernels from the best cornfield in India.
Okay, enough talk. Come eat.
Okay, why don't you start?
Okay. I like this.
I like
mean,
this
you
too.
can't go wrong with caramel
You
popcorn.
can't.
You really can't. So it's good.
It's very crunchy also. I like the popcorns that I've tasted. So I would eat this. I would eat more of this. I think this is equally fattening, no? Yeah, no.
No, we will not talk about fattening stuff.
Okay, alright. So another thing is that this is not GMO corn. So where do they use GMO corn otherwise? In other popcorns? Okay,
Totally ignorant about these things.
These are really good. And again, like Hasida said, you can't go wrong with caramel popcorn. So I like this.
Yeah. So before we finish it off, let's move on to the next one.
Okay.
Okay. This is cheesy sriracha.
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 This looks like the normal cheese popcorn that you get in theaters.
Yep.
Again. So yep, it looks nice. It looks big.
Looks big, it looks angry and orange, but yes.
It was cheesy. The only problem I face with cheese popcorn is that your hands get messy fast. So
But then it gives you the chance to lick your fingers as well. So
yeah.
again, cannot go wrong.
Actually, I like this more than, probably because I'm a fan of cheese. I like this more than the caramel.
That's sweet.
Yeah.
It can probably go after this.
Shall we go for the next flavor?
Yes. Choco caramel?
Chocolate and caramel. That is like the perfect marriage. Yeah. Okay, I can't wait to try these.
Yes.
Okay, it looks like this. I think more of chocolate. It looks burnt, no? But
It looks like burnt
Yeah.
popcorn, but
it's
just chocolate.
It's just chocolate, yeah.
it tastes like chocos.
This is
Yeah.
good.
This and the caramel one, I think, sort of at par for me. So, yeah.
I'm getting more of caramel, and there's a smoky hint of chocolate in this. So this works for me. More than the caramel actually. I like the smoked taste. Okay.
This one.
The next one.
We have crunchy
Lychee.
lychee.
Personally, I'm not a big fan of lychee as a fruit.
I
I'm
like
not
lychee as a
sure.
fruit, but
I like lychee juice. But I'm curious to know how this would look like.
I like lychee as a fruit, as a juice.
Oh.
Not sure how it goes with popcorn.
Oh, it's pink. Flamingo pink. Very attractive. They have a flavor called red velvet popcorn. Popcorn, red velvet, and
Okay, I haven't had red velvet, so I don't know.
okay.
I mean, red velvet popcorn I
There's
haven't
a
had.
strong smell of lychee coming out from this,
Like bubble gum.
like bubble gum. Exactly. Okay. Very interesting. Not my favorite though.
Not really a fan. Not really a fan.
This didn't hit me. So
I mean, I like lychee, but lychee popcorn is not my cup of tea.
probably it's like an acquired taste or something.
I think it's too sweet. A little too. Like I've had chocolate and caramel. Like we've tried that. This is just a bit too sweet.
That was lychee, you guys. It looked really pretty, but it just did not work for me. So yeah,
Okay, we have something called Chicago Mix.
Chicago mix. I think it's a mix of different flavors.
Probably.
Yeah. So it is. So it's a mix of cheese,
caramel,
caramel, and I don't see chocolate anywhere.
or lychee for that matter.
There's no lychee also. So there's just cheese and caramel.
You sure?
And all these boxes have the silica pouches so that there's no moisture. So you can have not so soggy popcorn. Yeah. Alright. So it's a combination of cheese and caramel, both of which we like the most.
So do you like take it together? Do you eat it together?
Let's try it together. Nah, I like it separately. Okay, we have one more that is a separate boxing altogether. This is the world's first gold caramel popcorn. Get a load of this, you guys. It's royalty popcorn. Popcorn for the royal people. It's golden color. Look
You
at
know they
this.
use that foil on pastries and stuff that they put on top of it.
Yeah,
Probably
yeah.
that.
Are we worthy enough to have this? Gold.
By power of the Malayali, I'm going to have this. It looks like one of those unpolished gold chunks that you probably
Yeah. Yeah.
mine from gold mines.
I don't know the taste of gold.
Got gold residue on my fingers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But there's caramel, lot of caramel in it. Again,
Very
it's
sweet.
sweeter than the other caramel popcorn that we tried. But it looks so fancy. Like this is what you would serve a Dubai Sheikh if he comes home.
Yeah, I'm like a cat who's obsessed with the box. Like, how cute is the box?
Yeah. I think these are also perfect gifting options. For people who love popcorn.
Yeah.
For the popcorn lovers.
Hello there, my name is Vikas Suri. I am the founder of Popcorn and Company. This company was created in December 2017. The objective behind it was to basically let our consumers enjoy the real gourmet handcrafted popcorn experience. We actually have created recipes which have been perfected over a period of 80-85 years and have been now served to the Indian consumer. We have a huge variety of range starting from caramel crisp to chocolate caramel crisp to lychee to cheesy sriracha, some of our top flavors which sells and gives us 80% of the revenue. Besides this, we have a lot of other varieties like blueberry popcorn, we have butter vanilla popcorn, we have red velvet popcorn.
Check it out and let us know in the comment section what you think about these popcorns. We have to plan more unboxed for food stuff. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, for sure.
So That's it for today. See you next week with another box. Yeah, bye.